Teen Mom 2 star Jenelle Evans sparks pregnancy rumors with new bikini photo, reports In Touch. Teen Mom 2 star Jenelle Evans is sparking pregnancy rumors yet again. The mother of three recently shared a snapshot of herself in a bikini and even joked about how fans would believe she was pregnant. And of course, that is exactly what happened. According to an April 15 report by In Touch Weekly magazine, Teen Mom 2 star Jenelle Evans shared a photo of herself in a skimpy bikini during a day of lounging by the pool. In the caption she wrote, "They will say she's pregnant." Fans immediately then begin to speculate that the reality TV mom was expecting her fourth child. As many Teen Mom 2 fans already know, Jenelle Evans is the mother of three children: Jace, whose father is Andrew Lewis Kaiser, whom Jenelle shares with her former fiancé Nathan Griffith, and daughter Ensley, whose father is Evans' husband, David Eason. Although Jenelle has denied recent pregnancy rumors, fans have pointed out that she's lied about being pregnant in the past. When Jenelle Evans was pregnant with her daughter Ensley, she hid the pregnancy from fans for months. Many Teen Mom 2 fans believe she may be pregnant with her fourth child. Some of the fans began to comment on Jenelle's Instagram post about the possible pregnancy, and Evans added fuel to the rumors when she started deleting comments referring to her being pregnant again. Jenelle Evans is often the subject of pregnancy rumors. Recently, the Teen Mom 2 star was so fed up with the speculation that she was expecting another child that she took a photo of her flat stomach and posted it to her social media accounts. However, if Jenelle is pregnant again, it would be another dramatic storyline for the upcoming season of the show. Jenelle is no stranger to controversy, and in the upcoming season of Teen Mom 2, viewers will see her deal with a lot of scandal in her life. Not only will she be forced to defend herself as a parent yet again, she will also have to defend her husband. During the season, fans will see David Eason cause some issues with production and even get fired for making homophobic comments via his Twitter account. Teen Mom 2 fans can tune in to see more of Jenelle Evans' life when the show returns for new episodes on May 7th.